In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Verve card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser. And now in the address bar, simply type in vervecardinfo.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Verve Card. You can find the Activate My Card button right at the home page, but before doing so, make sure you log into your account first. Click on the login button and you will be redirected to the login page where you can enter your username and your password to log into your account. Then you can just click on the Activate My Card button at the home page, and then you will be asked to fill up your card credentials. Simply enter the last 4 digits of your credit card, followed by the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, just enter your billing address zip code and then click on Activate My Card, and your card will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Verve Card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.